My name is Marc Jones. I'm Chair of Plaid Cymru. I'm the councillor for this ward, so it is a genuinely warm welcome to Wrexham today. And I'm one of the 6 candidates for the Flint-Wrexham constituency. And it does give me great pleasure to welcome everybody here today to the North East, to the capital of North Wales, and to the spiritual home of Welsh football. And where the good people of Flint-Wrexham are, hopefully, if we work hard enough, going to elect 2 members of Plaid Cymru to the Senedd in May. And make no mistake, we are about to witness history in the making. And that's nothing new here in Wrexham. We're used to making history. Some of you may be aware of Wrexham's back-to-back promotions, and we're ambitious enough to be aiming for the Premier League this season, even though we're not ready for it, let's face it. But I think we have similar ambitions for Plaid Cymru and to form our first government ever. I was elected as chair of Plaid Cymru 4 years ago. And back then I made rather a bold claim. I'm not sure if I believed it myself at the time, but I made it anyway. And I said we had 44 months to become the largest party in Wales. And to do that, we had to be the party for all of Wales. Plaid Cymru Gyfa, the whole of Wales. And when you see us launch our campaign in Caerphilly last week and launching our manifesto here, 10 miles from the border, I know we are Plaid Cymru Gyfa. And when we're extending way beyond our heartlands, way beyond our comfort zone. And that is so important. When I see us out canvassing, teams of people from Plaid Cymru out canvassing in Brumbo, in Buckley, in Flint, and in Shotton, as we were last night, and you don't get much closer to the border than Shotton, I can sleep well. I know we are Plaid Cymru government. We are the party for all of Wales, for everybody who lives in Wales, and we're the only party who is not taking instructions from their bosses in London, from an establishment in London that will never put Wales first. We will always put Wales first.